Hello there and welcome to this video. In this nugget, I'll be showing you on how to install and configure WordPress Contact 7 in WordPress. We'll begin by logging into our WordPress backend. Navigate to Plugin, select Add New, and I'll search from the plugin search area, Contact Form 7. I'll select Install. Once installed, I'll select Activate. Once the Contact Form 7 is activated, it will show on the plugin section of your WordPress. And also notice that on the flyout menu, a new menu Contact Form appears. The very first thing I would like to do in setting up my contact form is to integrate with the reCAPTCHA. So I'll select Contact, navigate to Integration. From the integration modules, I'll select reCAPTCHA. I'll click on Setup Integration, and I'll be required to enter my site key and my secret key. You'll navigate into the Google reCAPTCHA admin section and register your site. Once you register, you'll have access to the site key and the secret key. I'll copy the site key and paste it in the site key. I'll also select the secret key and paste that in the secret key. Click on Save Changes and then proceed. Now that we have set the reCAPTCHA, it's time to set up our contact form. I'll navigate to Contact Forms and select New Form. I might want to give my contact form a name. You'll notice that I have tools that I may use to generate code within my contact form very fast. If I need a text tool, then I'll select on Text and the text box area will show up. If I need an email text, I'll then select the email and that email text will show up. Once I have entered all the labels and the tools that I need in my form, I need this contact form to send an email. So I'll navigate on the tabs at the very top section and select Mail. I'll then enter the details of where I would want my form to send all communications to. I can also format any header and footnotes for the message being sent through email. Once I'm done, I'll click on Save. Now, to make use of your contact form into your WordPress post, you need to copy the shortcode into the post location. You'll navigate to Forms, and you'll notice the form that we have created, Customer Query, is in here, and the shortcode has been enabled here. Click on the code, select Copy, go create a post, add new, add a title to the post, and then inside the body of the content or the content, and inside the content, I'll post in the code. Once done, I'll click on Publish, and it's done. If I would like to see how it looks like from the front end, I can click on View Post, and voila, my form has just been created here, and you can enter your details, including a reCAPTCHA code down here that allows you to check for spam. Well, don't forget to download your free copy of the WordPress Quick Guide for Businesses. The link is in the description below. And if you like this video, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next nugget.